This is to show you how to change your new password in the data dump process. So sometimes either Infogroup or TMT will, make you change your password to their FTP site. So if that happens, that'll be another, you'll get an email and you'll have to create a new Infogroup, let's say, password. So you need to change it in the data dump process. So open up Windscape and click on Infogroup, edit, and change it here, okay? And save it. That's one place. Oh, and then let's go back actually. So let's go to Infogroup. You have the new password in there. And now we have to change it in the task scheduler. So the way you do that, you need a new script. So highlight all of the files that you're going to upload. Press upload, upload, transfer settings, and generate code. And so copy all this to the clipboard. Copy, close, close, and close. And then open up task scheduler.
I was just like, oh, he's eating it from
And let's go to the Tuesday Infogroup job. Unfortunately, it's not named that. It's called Upload 1. This is Infogroup. So I'm going to go to Properties so I can edit it. Go to Actions, Edit. And you're going to paste, I'm deleting this, and paste everything from your clipboard and press OK.